What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Zero to Hero Trader YouTube channel, and welcome to our tutorial video series on how to use the Thinkorswim platform. Now, before we get started, make sure that you like and subscribe down below, hit that bell icon, make sure that you get notified when we post another one. Now, this series is really for traders who are new to the Thinkorswim platform and want to learn how to use it to their advantage to make their trading easier. So let's jump right into it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a watch list in Thinkorswim.
Zero to hero trader, learn to trade in no time. Watch our videos and be sure to subscribe.
Alright guys, hope you guys are having a fantastic day. This morning I made a small trade on AMD, $102. Pretty quick there. But that's not what this video is about. Let's get into the video on how to make a watch list. Something like this. Now obviously these are pretty advanced watch lists. This one here is just a static watch list. I've got Fang Plus is what I call it. I've just got all the, larger QQQ NASDAQ type stocks in here. Okay, this may be something that you want to build up to, and I've got lots of custom fields in here, things like that. And this one here is a scanner watch list, so this one's dynamic, and I may do a video on that sometime later on how to make those. So basically with something like that, you build a scanner, and when a stock name matches the criteria of the scanner, it auto-populates in here, which can be extremely helpful. And like I said, we may get into making a video about that later. But today's video is just going to be about making a static watch list, okay? Something much more simplified of this one here. Okay, so this is pretty much my master watch list. Alright, so if we want to make a watch list, what we're going to do is go right down here in the bottom left corner. Click that little plus sign, watch list, and it may pull something up here. All we're going to do is go to create watch list, give it a name, say main watch list, or whatever you want to call it, and then you just start putting stuff in there. Apple, Tesla, SPY, QQQ, whatever you like to put in there on your watch list. Alright, so we got a nice little watch list there, and all we got to do is we are going to save it. Alright, and it's going to populate it in right down here. Alright, and then say you want to move some of these around or add other columns. All you're going to do is go right here to the little wheel in the corner, little tiny wheel, top right corner of the watch list. You say customize, and you can add all kinds of really cool stuff in here, and you can even get into custom fields and things like that, which is beyond the scope of this video. Pretty highly advanced type things that you can do in here, but it is possible, and that's what makes Thinkorswim such a great platform, and I think one of the best platforms for customization. But yeah, so you can do all kinds of stuff in here. So you want to, let's see, say we want to do percent change. So we want to add percent change, and let's move it to the front right there. And you're gonna watch down here. You can see that it's gonna change. All right, so that's kind of how you add new columns, okay? And if you want to sort these, you can sort them. They'll sort dynamically. Like if you want to sort by percent change, so you want to see the the highest percent change on the day out of your watch list. You just click this till it starts to sort them by highest or lowest, whatever, and it'll sort them. It'll dynamically move them around in the watch list, so it's extremely helpful. And you can just build this out how you like. Okay guys, so that is how you make a watch list in Thinkorswim and put it over here on your side bar, okay? And that's the basics, 30,000 foot high level view of how I made these customized watch lists with the custom fields and things. But that's the basics, okay? If you like this video, as always, leave us a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified when we release another video. And leave me a comment down below. How do you like to build your watch lists? What's your favorite name to put in your watch list? Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. Thanks.